How to fix Parsec error 6023. Now, before we dig deep into troubleshooting steps, I'd like to explain you where this problem is coming from. So this usually occurs or this usually happens when you're trying to connect a peer-to-peer connection from a certain device to your Windows. So basically, this was being blocked from either your firewall or from your Parsec settings on your Windows. So for you to be able to check that, all you have to do is go to your Windows icon right here, or you can go directly and press down your Windows and type R or press R on your keyboard. So we'll have to search it manually for you to be able to follow along. Now on your Windows, just simply type in Windows Firewall. So all I have to do is to pull up Windows Defender Firewall right here. Now once there is a specific peer-to-peer connection from a certain device connected to your PC, your Windows Defender Firewall will automatically detect, or from this part of your notifications right here on your PC or on your Windows. So for you to be able to fix it, all you have to do is just simply turn off your Windows Firewall Defender for you to be able to completely connect a peer-to-peer connection. So that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps you can try and do for you to be able to fix Parsec error 023.